Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for Monday, February 24th, 2020. Okay, so I traded one stock today, live trading. That was Microsoft, MSFT. It was on the pre-market gappers list, gapping down, along with a lot of other stocks and the market overall, unfortunately due to coronavirus. So I definitely had some short bias when the market opened. I took a short position on Microsoft around 166.11. Once I saw it fell below VWAP, but then it quickly came back and went above VWAP, and then I covered, which wasn't the greatest. Could have been a tighter cover, I felt like, or could have had a better entry. So I had like an extended loss there, which wasn't great. In hindsight, though, this normally looks like definitely a bullish signal when it rejects, but because it was falling below VWAP, I did take the short position, but in hindsight, it didn't work out. My next block of trade here, once it went through these moving averages and kind of did a pullback, and it was around this price level I had marked from the pre-market, I took a long position around 168.85 and held on. My stop loss was below the VWAP here. It bounced off, it wicked again, but right on VWAP and right bounced up here. So I actually added to my position around 169.26 and then quickly scalped up to 170.84. Once again, I see these moving averages kind of spreading parallel and above this price level here, and also looking at the 5-minute, it was nice clean 5-minute open range breakup, and then stop loss below VWAP here. So kind of had some multiple confirmations to go long again. But here, took a long position, hovering the 200-day moving average, kind of consolidating. It dipped down. It still respected this moving average here, but then when it dipped down again, I did get spooked out. And I closed my position, but then quickly did like a mini squeeze. So I actually added back around 171.86. And then I took some partials from 172.65, 173.16, all the way up to around 173.67. This is the pre-market high. Could have held on a little bit longer and probably got that above than 174. But in hindsight, it was subpar trading. This was probably the worst part of it, just kind of getting an extended position here and just kind of, wicking out, and then it really reversed on me. And then other one here is I really should have held on to larger share size. And once I had this confirmation, along with the open range, 5-minute open range breakup, really just should have held on to my share to my price target until it came back to this level where I originally bought, instead of kind of making multiple entries there. But so overall, like I said, subpar trading day, but we always have those days to try to minimize and do the best we can with risk management. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and hope everyone else had a green day, and I'll see you later.